Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Ali Sharma here and welcome back to more RC video reviews. Today in this video I have got myself a sweet big box which has the TFL Hobby 1106 Persuit RC racing boat. Now this is an 82 cm long RC boat. You can see the size of the box. It's gonna be my first big TFL Hobby boat. Now TFL Hobby is making some really nice quality products, and that is why they are also quite expensive. So this is also going to be my very first expensive RC boat. Let's take it outside the box, take a quick look at it, and then I have got my Futaba 4 PLS radio system, as this boat does not come with any radio control or battery or charger. So you gotta use your own radio control system, your own battery, your own charger to get it ready. Lucky me, I have got one of the best radios here for surface RC or for RC boats. So we're gonna set it up very quick, and then no more talk in this room. We're gonna bring this baby out for some action. For the size of this box, I have to keep the camera a little bit farther so you can see what's inside easily. I want you to see what it feels like when you open the TFL Hobby RC boat box. Check it out, this beautiful skull color scheme with yellow color on it. Let me just bring it outside the box, one moment. They did quite a neat and very secure packing. So at the back side we have some accessories here, and that has user manual, and I can see a tape and some metal parts right here. I hope I don't have to do some assembly on this, because I'm looking for some quick setup and quick game, baby. Alright, ooh, this is heavy. Ooh, baby, what a beauty this is. Check it out. Awesome, let me just put it on the table. There it is, the beauty with this beautiful color scheme, TFL Hobby Persuit. Now, this is a fiberglass hull with a 1620 kV brushless motor coupled with a 125 amp ESC right inside the hull. Now this is a water-cooled motor, as I can see all the pipes, and similarly ESC is water-cooled as well. You can see all the pipes going in and out for the water flow on ESC and motor. There is this little user manual for the ESC as well, and the calibration and setup. The boat has metal parts at the back side right here, all metal parts, CNC machined parts right here. There is no propeller here because the propeller is here in the accessories box. This is a sweet metal propeller. I don't think we're gonna break it so easy. There's a tube for the antenna as well, and other spare parts given here, including the metal rudder and metal fins. So I gotta install all these things on the boat. And by the way, there is no servo either inside the hull, which you will find being very disappointing, but in a sense I like it, because most of the servos supplied by the manufacturers are actually El Cheapo, and they give up very easily, and sometimes even before you operate the model, the servos will give up. So I like the idea of having no servo with the TFL Hobby RC boat right here, because you can put in your own servo. And give me a moment, I am actually planning to go with an expensive high-tech servo sitting right here, or let me dig in more, or a Futaba S3001 will do the job just fine. This is beautiful. I can't wait to bring it out and see what kind of speeds we can rip with the TFL Hobby Persuit racing boat. So let me get it ready, and we will get to action right away. trying to make some waves so I can jump. Look at this go! Very smooth. This boat is absolutely... I gave myself a bath.